Hi there, this is James from Social Intents, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily add Microsoft Teams chat into your website so that you can talk to your visitors right from Teams. Offer live customer support, answer questions, or enable your AI chatbot with handoff to your team members when it makes sense. So the first step in setting up your live chat integration is to go to your Teams account, pick a team and channel that you'd like to be able to answer the chats on, and you add the live chat application here by clicking the icon at the top, click on apps, search on live chat, which is this application. And once you add it, you'll see that we add a live chat tab to that particular team and channel. This is your view of your open chats and your chat histories. So you can click into a chat, you can see the conversations, you can reply, and you can chat with your visitors right on the website. The next step is to add your live chat code snippet to your website, or you can preview the chat. You'll see here in the conversation that you can customize with your logo, your text, your pre-sales information, and many other settings in the chat. So if I go ahead and start the chat here, this is what it would look like in your website. Click Start Chat. Chat conversation then begins, and you'll see it in the open conversations here, right? So you can see the chat as it's happening. Right now, the AI has answered the chat conversation. We do have a human handoff here. The trigger is talk to an agent. In that case, what we do is we send a live chat conversation post into Teams. You'll get an activity notification in Teams with the chat conversation up to that point. And then you can click Open Chat Console and respond right to the visitor. Once I respond to the visitor, the AI drops out of the conversation and you're chatting with your agent. So it's easy to get started. Simply add the live chat application to Teams, grab your code snippet from the settings, embed that in your website, and you're ready to chat with your visitors from Microsoft Teams.